Your gut is under attack. And the scary part is, it's due to a toxic plant protein hiding in many of the foods you love and think are healthy. It turns out, plants use these proteins to defend themselves from being eaten. In other words, they're deliberately toxic to your body. And believe it or not, the foods they're in make up at least 30% of the modern, standard American diet, often more. So, if you find yourself eating foods like rice, tomatoes, corn, potatoes, any and all grains, wheat, rye, barley, oats, etc., peppers, fruit, dairy, then your body is getting bombarded on a regular basis. This is a new phenomenon in the human diet. The foods listed above may sound common now, but for most of human evolution, they weren't. As a result, your body didn't fully evolve the ability to digest the proteins in these foods properly. Here are the warning signs you need to watch for: excessive junk food cravings, unwanted weight gain, embarrassing digestive issues, skin blemishes, brain fog, fatigue. If any of this sounds like you, that's your gut screaming, "Help!" However, there's good news. A world-famous cardiologist and best-selling author has just published a special online video. In this report, he tells you exactly what's causing this war inside you and how to win back your gut against these toxic compounds hiding in your food. It's time to put this problem where it belongs, in the past. But don't wait. This problem will only get worse if you do nothing about it. So check out this eye-opening video now, before it's too late, at healtheasyfix.com. Or click our link in the bio to watch Dr. Gundry's full video report today.